One theory or many? We have until now explored several theories of second language acquisition. We have explored socio-cultural theory of language learning. We have explored socio-linguistic theory of language learning, looked at functionalist approach, explored also the basic arguments of universal grammar. So the question is, which theory do we think is correct? Well, let us say actually that there exists a large variety of different theories about second language acquisition. Now, these different theories are actually focusing on different aspects of second language learning. So you have some theories like information processing theories or cognitive theories which are trying to model the learner grammars. You have language processing theories which are looking at the process of second language learning. You have theories which are looking at the structure of the language itself. And then you have theories which are looking at the significance of social interaction. Now, each tradition or each approach has actually developed its own methodology or its own strands in which it is interested to explore specific aspects of language. And over the time, we see new perspectives are emerging and looking at language learning from a different way. But these new perspectives do not necessarily uproot what has already been said. Most of the times they complement what others have done, and at times they also try to validate the significance of what is being said and they explain it more in a more better way. Now the question is, do we want to actually have one theory that encompasses all aspects of language learning? Or are we content with having different theories looking at different aspects of second language acquisition? Well, not everyone is in support of a grand theory that explains all the language learning aspects in a single way. They would rather like to see how different theories focusing on different aspects of language actually come together or link with each other to make some sort of sense about how second language acquisition occurs. A basic problem in not coming up with a grand theory is also that the research that is being done, most of the times the research is being done in Western context. Now, what happens in Western context, how the interaction takes place between adults and the children, how the interaction matters within different cultural contexts between native speakers of the language and non-native speakers of language. How do things happen between two non-native speakers in different cultural contexts is so diverse that you would need one research looking at the same thing across different cultures to come up with something that explains what is happening in second language acquisition. So the question is, what do we do then as teachers? As teachers and as researchers, what we need to do is to actually identify and see what the other theories are saying, what are the different strands of theories are saying, and when we see some sort of phenomena in our classrooms, when we go through the classrooms, when we go through our practices, we try to reflect on what is going on and see which theory might be explaining what is going on. For instance, the disinterest of the child, the failure of the children to learn something. So we just need to be reflexive about it.